Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and good news for Windows 11 users that would like to have the latest disk image with the latest updates already on them with Windows 11 22H2. Microsoft has issued the updates of the images. So if you're on Windows 10, I already posted a video with the link to get the latest image. And here on Windows 11 22H2, you also have that capability, so that Windows 11 22H2 latest image, you can get it from the Microsoft website. I get all the time people that are telling me that they have their favorite website where they get an image that's always streamlined with the latest updates and so on. And if you trust the source, I get it. I totally understand that there are some trusted sources out there, but I never share those because I do not want to share anything other than the download page of Microsoft for the purpose of security, making sure 100% that what you have is the real thing, not some, maybe trafficked or malware driven version. So you go to this page and you can, of course, download the media creation tool, which the installation media or the installation assistant. These will all bring you the latest version anyways. And of course, if you want to get the latest version, you download the Windows 11 disk image here. So you choose your image, multi-edition here in this case. And you also have other choices available. So this is going to give you the latest image with the Patch Tuesday updates of May 2023, which is really a good idea. The idea behind it also is it's going to take a lot less time for you to install this, because not only is the install going to be there and take the same amount of time, but once it's there won't be, endless cumulative update that's going to install, because there's a lot of updates to install before. So this is a good idea, and I think the major drive for Microsoft to have updated the images is the fact that there's the fix for the secure boot malware problem. And it is said that the computers that will have moved on with the secure boot fix cannot go back to a version before that doesn't have the fix. So that means that older images will not work once you pass that threshold in January. It's not yet the case, but in January, when the last phase of the update is done, that's what's going to happen. It's going to actually make your computer impossible to boot with an older image than the one that they released now. So another good idea to download it for that reason. So it's there. The link to the download page is in the description below, and this is the secure place to get the latest image for Windows 11 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.